What's up, guys? I'm College Roberto. Thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel this week. So today what I want to share with you guys are 5 healthy habits that you guys should adopt in order to be more successful or even feel successful. I'm not saying that if you do these methods that you're going to become a millionaire overnight, but what I am saying is that this could really help you build some mental strength, mental stamina, and also confidence within yourself to actually feel like that millionaire person and also do things that those millionaire people do. Not saying that you're going to be a millionaire. All I'm saying is that this is the feeling and the emotion and the sensation that you might get by doing these 5 different methods. So let's go ahead and begin this video right now. So the very first thing, guys, is honestly when it comes to waking up in the morning, what you want to do is really put yourself in a very uncomfortable place. And I'm not saying go ahead and start an argument with someone on the street. I'm not saying wake up next to your spouse and hit her with the pillow. What I'm saying is that what you need to do is put yourself in a place where you have to kind of generate a little bit of that, bit of a testosterone, get your blood flowing, and also feel like you're taking a mental challenge, for example. So the best thing that I highly recommend for you guys to do is cold showers. Cold showers are probably the best thing that I ever really got into, and I feel like it's something that helps me with my day because you already start off with your day feeling uncomfortable. You wake up out of bed super warm and you go into the shower and you turn the cold water on. You put yourself in this place where you're challenging yourself and you're making yourself do these things that not everyone's going to do. And I feel like if you want to set yourself aside from the other men and the other boys in the world, you have to do things that are going to make you build this confidence and build this tenacity and also just strength to do things, and especially mental power, because it's going to carry on through your day, and also it's just going to help you overall. The benefits that I've seen for cold showers, it's definitely helped my skin. It definitely helps me commit a little bit more. I'm just like feeling more committed every single day throughout the day if I take a really cold shower, because I put myself through it. I had an option to either be comfortable or uncomfortable. And I feel like if you choose the option to be uncomfortable, you're going to find something within you that's going to help you. Like Casey Neistat said, comfort is decline. So guys, I highly recommend you do this. There's also a lot of perks that you guys could have by taking cold showers, which I will link you down to an article down below, because the fact is that I just care about these 2 things, the mental strength and also the being uncomfortable and feeling like a fucking beast. Now, the second thing is when you wake up super early, try to wake up at least 2 hours earlier than what you usually wake up at. So if you wake up at 10, try to wake up at 8. If you wake up at 6, don't wake up at 4 because everything's closed unless you want to go for a jog. But try to wake up just a little bit earlier so you could wake up without feeling super stressed out or feeling like you're late, being able to take time, taking care of yourself, and waking up in a very passive way where you're just going to be able to say, I'm ready for my day, I'm gonna get ready, I'm gonna hop in the shower, I'm gonna take a cold shower, and I'm gonna start thinking about good things that are gonna happen today. So it's very important for you to have a positive mindset the moment that you wake up, because when you do just wake up, if you start thinking about negative things or you start thinking about not being, and you're not able to prepare yourself mentally for the day, then it's going to just kind of haunt you if you kind of recite in your head bad things like, oh, today's going to be horrible. Oh, I have so much to do today. It sucks. Those things are not what's going to carry out a successful person throughout their life. And you're going to have to find a little bit of positivity within yourself to get yourself through that little early morning hump. The third thing is wake up and write down an agenda for yourself. You have to know where you're going. If you put a boat on the sea and you don't really give it any direction, it's probably just going to end up on shore somewhere where you don't know exactly where that is. And you don't want to do that with your life. So you want to make sure that in order for you to know what you're doing day by day is by creating action plans that are going to help you facilitate and navigate your day through the hours of the day. So it's very important for you to know exactly where you're going. If there's 25 things, write down 25 things. If there's 5 things, write down 5 things. It's very important for you guys to do this. And also, if you don't finish it on that certain day, then at least you have something to wake up for the next morning with a little bit more of this envision of what your day is going to look like. Because it's very important for you guys to think that. If you think about your day in a good light, then it's going to be pretty good. But it's very important for you guys to write your goals down and know exactly where you're going, because that just helps you navigate through life. And that's exactly what you need. You need a roadmap. If you think about anything you do in life, you always know exactly where you're going, whether you're going to the shower, whether you're going to the coffee shop, whether you're going to work somewhere. Like, there's a certain route that you take to get there. And if you don't follow that route, then you're never going to get there. So that's exactly what it is with day-to-day life, basic just things. Now, number 4 is try to exercise every single day. And I'm not saying go ahead and be a gym rat, try to lift 500 pounds, try to lift 200 pounds. What I'm saying is exercise your body. You have to go out for a walk, enjoy nature, allow yourself to breathe in some fresh air. I know that a lot of people are inside cubicles every single day or inside stores, just indoors, and you need some vitamin D. It's very important for you to allow yourself to just breathe. It's very important for you guys to allow it to breathe and take in what Mother Nature gives us, this beautiful earth. And you also just want to give yourself some downtime. So it's very important for you to have some you time, some alone time, to actually allow your vessel to exercise, sweat out, get rid of all the impurities and the stress. And it's very important. And it's going to help you a lot to sleep and also just be less stressful. So I'm not saying to go ahead and lift weights or go to the gym and run 20 miles. A nice walk around your neighborhood, at least 10,000 steps a day, is going to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. So it doesn't really matter what you do, but as long as you do something. And like I said, walking, I'm a big fan of walking. 10,000 steps, I count it on my iPhone. Everyone has some type of health app on their iPhone now. So try to at least get 10,000 steps and, free your mind from all this stressful stuff. Boom! Now, number 5 is try to allow yourself some time to sleep. Now, we all need rest. I feel like a lot of times people, especially in this day and age, they feel like they don't need sleep, and the less you sleep, the more successful you're going to be. But the reality is that you need sleep in order for you to think straight. There's a lot of things that happen to your body and inside your brain when you have lack of sleep. And I think that you're more prone to stress, and you're just more prone to not making good decisions, and you're just not thinking straight. And I feel like try to make it a thing that you're going to get at least 6 hours of sleep, at least 5 hours of sleep. And if that's all you could actually get, 4 to 5 hours of sleep a day, at least try to make sure you get those 5 hours, 4 hours solid every single night. And obviously the iPhone has a really good app that you guys could use, and I'm pretty sure there's a lot of things, but try to keep your phone away from your bed, or if you have the mental strength, just, turn it off and make sure that you don't go on it and spend hours on end when you need that sleep, because it's very important, guys. And I feel like these are the things that help me. These are the things that are truthful for me. So I feel like I needed to share them with you guys, because I know that you guys want to be successful as well. And it doesn't mean, like I said, to be a millionaire or do anything like this. It's more just to be successful in whatever you want to do, whether that is going to school, starting a new job, looking for a job, whatever it is. These are very helpful tips that help me out. So thank you guys so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys want to see more of these healthy tip videos, let me know down below in the comment section. Bye, Carlos Roberto. Follow me on Instagram at bycarlosroberto. Peace out.